welcome back to another episode of When Moon Cooks. Okay, untuk episod ini saya akan buat homemade churros. Okay, dan kawan-kawan saya daripada LC iaitu lepakcouncil akan mencuba masakan saya dalam episod ini juga. Okay, so if you're ready, let's go. Finally, I am done cooking. I made 2 types of churros balls. Jadi ada 2 macam. Mari kita tengok apa pandangan mereka tentang masakan saya. Okay?
Alright guys, let's try it. I'll turn off the video first. Okay, so Moon made this. Kita akan cuba je. So churros dia berbulat-bulat. Dia kasih sos sekali. Okay. Churros dia bermacam-macam warna. Dan churros yang dia bagi saya sebenarnya bogel, tak ada cinnamon dan gula sebab saya suka. So kita cuba without the sauce first. Dia kata ni moonera, so let's try. Hilap lembut. Plus churros yang kat luar selalu crispy, tapi dia punya lembut. I don't know why, but it's good. A bit tawar, and you can add a bit more salt, I think, or sugar. But I think sebab saya punya tak ada cinnamon and sugar coating kan, so that's why macam lacking lah rasa tu. But I think it should be fine if ada the cinnamon and sugar coating. Okay, kita try yang mana pun. Dia kata ni rose flavour. Okay, other people might like it. Tapi Ayla memang tak suka rasa rose ni. Kuatnya tak sikit. Again, this is my personal taste. I really don't like this rose flavor. And yeah, that was it. Now we're going to try the pandan flavor. Ini kali seperti pandan flavor is nice. It tastes like macam kuih Melayu biasa gitu. That's good. Okay, now we're going to try the sauce. Tak kena put sauce Moon. Thanks. I'm brimming to the top guys. Okay, we're going to try satu persatu ya. We're going to try vanilla flavor pula dengan coklat juga. Oh, coklat. Rasa coklat dia. It's okay kalau benda tawar tau. Campuran dia sedap tu. So, I dah rasa kalau memang ada cinnamon dengan sugar coating tu memang dah okay lah. Myra tak suka kan sebab tu Myra punya liquid. Lupa. Moon, I am sorry, but I really don't like the roast taste. I mean, so it's not you it's just me, my personal taste. I don't like it. But kita cuba dengan chocolate dip. I cannot. I'm sorry. The roast taste is a bit overpowering. The chocolate taste. But you know, again, itu Myra punya personal taste lah. Now I'm gonna try the pandan flavor. Terus bilang terus coklat je, but it's good. I think overall I think it's nice. Good job, Moon. Thank you for this.
Churros from Moon. Thank you. Let's try. So this is the sauce. And the churros, which doesn't look like churros, but let's see how it tastes like. Ta-da! Let's dip it. Let me show you how we dip. Jemput makan. Okay, that's actually not bad. It's just that you need the shape obviously is not there, but the taste is there. Okay, it's okay. It's a bit like macam like a bit squishy. Like I'm hoping for it to be a bit garing, because I prefer my churros garing. And yeah, it is also sweet, but I like it sweet, so yeah, I'm fine with it. So, and the sauce is awesome, so it's not bad. Good job.
Churros ball from Lady Moonera. Let us give it a try. It will taste better if it was 12 korang mau nak gitu. There's a chocolate dip as well. Ooh. The chocolate is nice. I like it.
Sedap. So, if I give you a star, I will give you 4.5. Why? Because the taste is okay. The taste is good already. Not okay, it's good already. Dia dah memang churrosnya taste. Just that sebab first time I nampak churros bulat, so I dah biasa dengan churros panjang-panjang with jacket. It's colourful. So dia punya point tak banyak. Dia point 0.5 sebab of dia punya original design dia. But it's a good effort, Moon bulan. So, bye bye guys. Thank you Mas for the churros, and thank you everyone for watching this.
Selepas masak tu jangan lupa nak kena cuci, okey? Jangan biarkan je. Inilah saya punya perangai ni, suka tinggal biarkan aja. Tengah cuci sekarang banyak